Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In today's exclusive video, I'll be sharing with you 4 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with the scrapbooking niche. But what is different about these keywords is that they are quite profitable, but there's one thing: they do have a higher bestseller rank, which means that they're ideal to be used in your subtitle or in your 7 keyword slots. I would not use them in the title. I would utilize these keywords in either the subtitle or preferably the 7 keyword slots for any book that is linked to scrapbooking and linked to the other sub niche in this case. So I'll be sharing with you these keywords. I don't want you to go past them because they have great potential. You can utilize them, and I've tried this method before previously, where I update the 7 keyword slots for most of my books every 2 to 3 months with the most best ranking keywords that have higher bestseller rank, but I utilize them in 7 keyword slots, and they start ranking within weeks for this keyword, and they bring in consistent sales. And I'm quite happy to say that to you today, and that's why I've chosen to not overlook these 4 keywords, but to share them with you in today's exclusive video. Now, before we get started, I do daily Amazon KDP a keyword reveal in this channel. So if you're interested in that, as well as interested to know more about passive income strategies, tips and tricks to make passive income online, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new videos. Now let's get started with the first keyword for the day. And our first keyword is spooky autumn scrapbook paper, and it has a wonderful, strong, solid keyword niche score on both ends. First of all, we have a keyword niche score of 61 by self-publishing titans, which is quite high. Not only that, Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension also confirms the strength of this keyword, and it has given this a number 9, categorizing this keyword as a great niche, and number 9 is the highest on the scale. Coming to the total results, they are within 1,000, and they're sitting at 1,829. Average bestseller rank is 808,783, which is exactly why I'm recommending for you to utilize this keyword as part of your 7 keyword slots for anything to do with scrapbook paper that has to do with autumn, any scrapbook paper product that has to do with Halloween. And in the previous 8 videos, what I did is I shared with you over 40 profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with the scrapbook paper niche, and among them was autumn related scrapbook paper, Halloween related scrapbook paper, celestial and witch and full moon and that kind of stuff, scrapbook paper niches. So if you do decide to create any of these niches scrapbook paper for, you can go ahead and utilize this keyword, update your 7 keyword slots, and get your book ranking. So as I said, average bestseller rank is 808,783, average reviews is 63, average price is $12.17. Now if you go ahead and scroll through, please avoid the sponsored products. There's ad running in there, and they do affect that. So our first book that is ranking for this keyword was, what is it? It is basically a scrapbook paper that is a combination of spooky and autumn, and it also has some moon illustrations as well in there, Halloween illustrations, a little bit of sunflower in there as well. So if you have any of the scrapbooking paper products that has to do with sunflowers, moons, spooky Halloween, any elements of Halloween, so think about Halloween or anything spooky, what do we have? We have ghosts, we have spooky pumpkins, we have a combination of, you know, vampires and skeletons and bats and these kind of elements. So get your book ranking and utilize the power of this amazing strong keyword. Don't let that bestseller rank average higher keep you away, and make sure that you also be able to utilize it wherever necessary. So that being said, spooky autumn scrapbook paper with a keyword niche score of 61 was our first keyword for the day. Let's head over to the second keyword, which is again to do with the spooky element, and this one has a much more lower bestseller rank, which is amazing. The lower the better, of course, but what do you do when the keyword strength is strong and the total results are within 1,000? Best to use it for the 7 keyword slots, and this one's spooky Halloween scrapbook paper 6 by 6. So you could have 2 options: either utilize it as part of the subtitle or as part of the 7 keyword slots, or go ahead and create your own scrapbook paper that is sized as 6 by 6 that has to do with the spooky Halloween, and then you could be able to sub niche and create a specific type of Halloween character scrapbook paper and still use this keyword as well and move on to the next. It will literally take you about 10 to 15 minutes to create a scrapbook paper that is sized 6x6 using Canva, and I will also make a step-by-step tutorial telling you exactly how. I'll share with you a free template that I've created that you'll be able to click on the link and access that template to go ahead and add in your scrapbook paper designs onto it and upload to Amazon KDP. And this is a template that I also personally use. So it has a keyword niche score of 63, quite strong, and a keyword niche score of 6 by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension. Then again, the total results are sitting within that 1,000 range, and the total results are 1,866. Average bestseller rank is 657,196. Average reviews are 144. Average price is $11.75. Same rule applies for the previous keyword. And as you can see, there is even books that don't have to do with Halloween or don't have to do with that spooky element that are ranking for this keyword and showing up as well, including some watercolor, including some sky related celestial books that have utilized this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots. So nothing to do with spooky, nothing to do with Halloween, yet it is popping up. It's not sponsored, so there's no ads running for this, and it has an average bestseller rank of 5,639. They've literally added this keyword as part of the 7 keyword slots because I can't see it in the title and I'm not able to see it in the subtitle, yet it's still ranking on the first page. So that was the second keyword for the day, spooky Halloween scrapbook paper 6x6 with a keyword niche score of 63. Let's head over to the third keyword for the day, and the third keyword for the day is sun, moon, stars scrapbook paper. This one's also a great keyword. It has quite a strong keyword niche score of 58, which I'm personally happy with. It has a total results of 2,137, which is quite good. It's within that 2,000 range. Average bestseller rank is also lower than the first keyword, which is averaging at 777,537. Average reviews 84. Average price is $10.63. And we also have a confirmation for the keyword strength by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche and giving it a number 8. Number 9 is the highest, and I'm quite happy with number 8, and it beautifully complements the 58 but given by Titans. So then again, beautiful, perfect keyword to utilize for the 7 keyword slots. And I've also discussed previous profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have to do with the celestial scrapbook paper, the full moon scrapbook paper, and I've dived in deep in the previous videos about that. So if you do intend to utilize these previous keywords, then include this as part of the 7 keyword slots, and that's my advice to you in this case, and it's exactly what I would be doing if I were you. So let's head over to the fourth and final keyword for today's video, and it is creepy Halloween scrapbook. Creepy Halloween scrapbook is an amazing keyword. It has a keyword niche score of 63, which is ideal, and a keyword niche score of number 6 by Amazon Scout Pro, categorizing this as a nice niche. Coming to the total results, they're within the 2,000 range, and the total results are 2,075. Average bestseller rank is within that 700,000 range, which is lower than the previous. It is averaging 711,845. Average reviews are 162. Average price is $11.71. You can be able to utilize this amazing keyword as part of your title. How? By sub-niching. For example, this is a really simple keyword. It's basically creepy Halloween scrapbook. It does not indicate the title, the sizing. It does not indicate who it's for. It does not indicate any other element besides creepy Halloween. And that's something for us, if we want to dive in deep, to basically choose 2 or 3 different Halloween characters that are not trademarked, or figures or elements, and then specialize in that, and also specialize in sub niche to do with the different sizing. Some people like a large print, 8.5 times 11 inches. Some people like it more of a pocket size, which is a 6x6 in this case, or an 8.5 times 8.5, or 4x6. These kinds of sizings are better for travel size, for a pocket size as well, for a purse size. They would be great for that. So creepy Halloween scrapbook is a really general type of keyword, yet it has great profitability, and you can utilize that also in your 7 keyword slots if you haven't done so for your subtitle or your title. Now we are at the end of today's video, and just quickly let's summarize the 4 keywords that I've shared with you, starting with spooky autumn scrapbook paper with a keyword niche score of 61. Second was the spooky Halloween scrapbook paper 6x6 with a keyword niche score of 63. Third one is sun, moon, stars scrapbook paper with a keyword niche score of 58. And lastly was our creepy Halloween scrapbook with a keyword niche score of 63. I wish you all the best. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.